Hey guys, this is for those of you who are into vintage cell phones and collecting vintage cell phones. This is for those that want to maintain their collection and keep their old cell phones going in the collection. When it comes to owning these older cell phones, it's always important to check the condition of the battery, because most of the times if you get one of these older cell phones, the chances are it could have been stored in a room that has a hot climate, or rooms that's like in a warm temperature. And it could be very dangerous because it can cause the batteries to be swollen or and if and the thing is with dealing with swollen batteries, basically a fire hazard. And the only problem is that you have to go out and spend a couple of dollars on a replacement, which I went ahead and got a replacement for this one because the battery was starting to swell up. And swollen batteries can even damage like the battery cover. Luckily the battery cover in this one didn't get damaged. And what I did was I used a genuine Nokia battery. And to also prevent these batteries from swelling up is basically keep them in a decent room where it's fully climate controlled, and using a genuine Nokia charger for a Nokia battery. I'm gonna just give this one a minute to charge up. Once your battery fully charges up, once you be able to charge up your battery, then you can basically do what you want on your phone. So it's like I've said, it's always important to change your cell phone batteries if they're refusing to hold a charge, or if there's a sign where if it's starting to swell up. I hope this video helps you, any vintage cell phone collector out there. And hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.